couple of spots lower. So we're going to start here on the left, and then we'll get the right.
Okay.
That's the one.
You can feel the difference.
Did you get a workout in this morning?
No.
No?
Today was the break.
Rest day?
Yes.
Good. Good stretch.
Yep.
And then let's get that mid back. So slide down just a hair towards your feet. We'll go knees up, hands behind the neck, elbows up. Nice deep breath in. Let it all go. Wow.
That's a good one.
Yeah. On your belly. So Michael came in. He had neck and low back issues. Fast forward a few months later, he's a completely different man.
Agreed.
He hits the golf ball further, too. But you've done a great job. Consistent with your care. You've done your exercises. Now you're working out in the mornings before you go to work. Tender when I press here?
A little bit.
Above it?
Nothing.
Nothing, okay. So let's get some motion through L5. One up here, extension. And let's lay on your right side facing me. And this one's coming up and out. One more. Other side. This side's coming down. Here we go. And one more. On your belly. That's looking good there. And how about here?
Nothing.
Above it is still okay?
Still okay?
Good. Any discomfort when I press up through these?
No.
No. Okay. There we are, sir.
Alrighty. Perfect.
Good.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.